does his job perfectly. Gallant really happy with his play. Here's Kucherov shooting, scores!
Elliot Friedman talked about it. After a loss, Nikita Kucherov's numbers are outstanding. And he just zips this one. Now, Corey Perry's right in front of Shesterkin, where he has been his whole career. He has that stick in the lane. And you can guarantee that Kucherov sees that stick. I'm not sure if he gets a piece of it. Looks like it maybe does change a little direction. That's the reaction from Ryan Reeves in the box. Not too happy.
Kreider, rink wide. Here's Vetrano putting on the brakes. Keandre Miller shoots. Hagel blocks it. Another shot. And Miller scores!
And Brandon Hagel just suffering after this shot block. He dives right into that lane. He's down and out. And Miller just follows it up with a quick wrister once again. Corrals it, on edge, little knuckler, and zips it home from the high slot. The right read to shoot that puck, and you can see Hagel.
A 50 player. Here's a pass. Lafreniere's shot was stopped. Bounced away. Here's Fox again. Tipped home by Kakko.
To say they're a handful is an understatement. Excellent movement again by Adam Fox. Just look at the way he goes around and maneuvers once he gets this puck. The poise, little fake, gets rooted a bite on that shot, and the beautiful little pass in tight. Kakko presents, little elevation on the redirection from 2 feet away, but it's all Fox in this shift. Incredible the way he can maneuver, the way he's...
Hedman moving the puck, and it was advanced momentarily by Kucherov. Zibanejad shoots, scores!
With David Amber, too many turnovers are creating some chances right here in the neutral zone, picked off. Zibanejad passed the first time, not this one. Blocker high, another one that's elevated on Vasilevsky, and he rips this one home. Never looks that he's going to take that shot, sells, he's going to pass it across again. Just a great fake and release by Zibanejad.
Kucherov enters the zone, a pass, another one, Big Paul scores! What a beautiful pass and play!
The entry of Kucherov, far blue line, the poise to go through this little check on the wall, make the first pass. Paul with great patience to hold on to this one and tuck it home. Tic-tac-toe, and it's a 1-goal game with 2:02 in the clock. Great fake by Paul.
Final score 3-2, and they will leave Broadway and head to Tampa.